What's going on, everyone? John here with Power Clean Pro Service, and we have a driveway to clean today. You guys have seen those videos, that game where it's like pressure washing simulator. Well, today we're gonna do pressure wash VR. All right, in all seriousness, I wanted to kind of get a glimpse into the future. I can see a world where employees will use VR as like a first person capture. I mean, police officers are already wearing dash cams or body cams, and I think VR is a natural evolution to what's coming. The Meta Quest and the new Vision Pro from Apple have really showed us what VR is capable of. I mean, a lot of this video here, all the first person image is captured on the Meta Quest 3, and the video is outstanding. I mean, imagine having this strapped to your face, and it's lightweight. I worked for pretty much the entire time with this equipment on, and being able to record and capture pretty much everything that you're doing so that the employer knows that all the work was done successfully. They can use it for quality assurance and training purposes, if you will. And yeah, you know, it's maximum accountability for the employee. Also for like small business owners like myself, I can sit here and get my work done, as well as maybe take some phone calls. I have music playing in the background, maybe have a video chat going, maybe able to stop and talk to a client, and it's a completely hands-free experience. You know, I'll be able to do all of that. So this is something that I don't think is here. You know, VR is not where it's like a seamless, invisible technology. It's big, it's clunky, it takes up battery, it takes up, you know, it's heavy on your face, but it's getting better. You know, over the last few years, we've seen some significant evolutions in VR technology that allow us to, even allowed me to film this video. So I'm gonna be quiet now and let you kind of just imagine what's coming in the future while I do all of this with the VR headset on. At some point I do take it off. I just started to get a little self-conscious that people were sitting there watching me. You'll see me like look around. I'm like really nervous if somebody's sitting there watching me. But either way, I'm gonna be quiet, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.